Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Our lesson today is mass and weight. Mass الكتلة, weight الوزن. We will begin with the mass. Mass is the amount of material in an object. And the mass is measured by units, kilogram, gram, or ton. And 1 kilogram equal 1000 gram. Mass is the amount of matter in an object, and the mass is measured by gram or kilogram unit. The gram equals the mass of 1 paper clip, but the kilogram equals the mass of 1 liter of water. The tools of measuring the mass. We measure the mass by scales. The first one, balance scale, which is used to measure fruits and vegetables. The second one, sensitive to arm scale, which used to measure small masses. And one arm digital scale, which is used also to measure small masses as gold and silver. And the last one is one arm scale with a pointer. We must put the balance scale on a horizontal shelf to avoid any vibration. Does the mass differ from one place to another? The mass of object is constant, which means fixed value, means doesn't change with changing the place. The weight. Weight is the force by which the body is attracted to the earth. The force with which the body is attracted to the earth. The force is always towards the center of the earth. Weight is measured by unit called Newton. And the Newton equal the weight of an object whose mass 100 gram. To measure the weight of an object, we use a spring scale or a spring balance. The factors affecting the weight. We have 3 factors affecting the weight. The first one, the mass of object. When the mass of a body increases, its weight increases, and vice versa. Weight equal mass by 10 on one condition. The weight with Newton unit and the mass with kilogram unit. The second factor affecting the weight is the planet where the object exists. Weight on the moon equal 1/6 of the weight on the earth. And the weight on earth equals 6 times the weight on the moon. As the mass of the planet increases, the weight on it increases. The third and the last factor is the distance from the center of the planet, or the distance from the center of the earth. As we go away from the center of the earth, the weight decreases. And as we go towards the center of earth, the weight increases. Now we will compare between mass and weight. We will begin with the definition. The definition of mass, the amount of matter in an object. But the definition of weight, the force with which the body is attracted to the earth. The units of measurement. The mass is measured by different units, kilogram or gram or ton, but the weight has a unit of Newton. Device of measurement. The mass has 4 devices to measure it, like the balance scale, but the weight has 1 spring scale. The direction of mass, the mass has no direction, but the direction of weight towards the center of the earth. And last, the effect of different places. The mass is constant, doesn't change with changing the place. The mass is fixed value, but the weight changes, variable, changes from one planet or one place to another. Thank you and goodbye.